Kasorkar jela hakas ngipalay kalapan bana balapan kendria no yaka clearance CNRD block syaka wapung da katong banyo penkiu kordan hospital no yaka clearance CHC. Yaka ni lawan ban bana da menteri rang ba kacela ukonat ke sangma harengkat kejingidan lang menteri katrat CNRD uba hamlet doling kumju UML kathan uba kermen cela na lor ke sorkar bat kipai ba katay kathan.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day that He has given to each and every one of us, and also for all the different development programs that are coming as blessing for the people of this region and also for the entire state of Meghalaya. 3.5 years back, when we had taken over the government in 2018, I remember telling some of my cabinet colleagues and also the MLAs who are in the government that yes, we may feel happy, we may also feel proud to be leading the government and running the government. But more than that, we should remember that we are coming with a sense of responsibility. This has to be seen as an opportunity that has been given to us to make a difference in people's lives. Able to solve every single problem and issue. I do look back and have a sense of satisfaction in being able to at least make a little difference in our people's lives. Today, there's another sense of satisfaction in my heart to be able to undo the wrong that was done in the previous government. And while I say that, I'm not here to blame anybody. I don't like blaming and I don't like negative politics. I believe in positive politics. As I told you, I believe that we have been given a chance to make things right. And today, as I said, it gives me a great sense of satisfaction to be able to shift the Wapung block to where it originally was supposed to be and was by wrong measures, I should say, and not proper administrative process that the block was earlier shifted from this location. And while I say that, I'm not saying that other locations don't deserve it. I'm sure they deserve it also. And there are many other locations in the state that deserve more, saying that other locations don't deserve it. I'm sure they deserve it also. And there are many other locations in the state that deserve more administrative strengthening. And therefore, the government will definitely examine the setting up of different blocks as per the need of the people of our state. There are many regions in our state where the people of villages have to travel 50, 60 kilometers to access the service of block. And that is very, very unfair for those citizens. And therefore, it is a duty of the government to ensure that we bring the administration closer to the people. And hence we will examine the possibility of putting up more blocks to bring the administration closer to the people. But obviously we'll have to do it keeping the financial constraints and financial challenges in mind. Block offices are one of the most important offices for the people in the rural areas. Majority of our schemes, especially the central government schemes, are implemented through the blocks. And therefore, it will be most appropriate to ensure that more blocks come up in different parts of the state as per need.
When the Wapung Sin Adi block was created. However, abruptly on 9th January 2018, the same was shifted to Lom Shlong, East Ganting Hills district, much to the dismay of the residents. Petitions were filed to the government opposing such a move which fell a deaf ears of the then government. I took upon myself that upon being elected to the assembly, that Wapung Sin RD block will be restored back. With the blessing of the Almighty and under the able leadership of our beloved CM Sir Conrad Sangma and my dear colleague Sir Hamlet Rolling, this long cherished demand of the rightful residents of this area has come to fruition. On behalf of the people of this block, I would like to place on record my sincerest gratitude and appreciation to you both, Sir Conrad and Sir Hamlet, for taking this possible. Our prayer is that God will continue to guide you as you take on the mantle of leading the state to greater heights. With your permission, sir,